How's it going, YouTube? Just wanted to fire the video camera up and give y'all an unboxing of the new Eton Rugged Rukus solar-powered Bluetooth radio. Just give you a bit of an unboxing and a sound test for everybody that was wondering what kind of sound it puts out. Towards the end of this video, I'm going to try to give y'all an example, compare it to cell phone speakers, and run a few different genres of music: rap, country, maybe a little dubstep for you guys. I'm going to run it different volumes, halfway, all the way, and just go through and let y'all decide if y'all want to pick one up. I ordered it Wednesday evening, and I got it from the Apple Store. It is Monday, so they got it within 1 to 3 business days, like they claim. It's available at REI, the Eton website, Amazon, and the Apple website. Eton and REI were on back order at the time that I purchased, so I got it from the Apple website. And I'm pretty excited to see what we get out of this thing. It's shipped in a box just like this with bubble wrap, so it comes in pretty safe. It's a pretty nice box we got going on. We got the dimensions right here on the back, and the weight. So let's see what it is. It cost me only $99, and then about, I know it's going to vary depending on who ships it to where. It's going to vary for y'all, but it was about $8-9 for it to ship to me. So I got it out the door and into mine for under $109, which is significantly less than other Bluetooth devices like the Jawbone and the Beats by Dre pill. Those can be anywhere from $175 on up, depending on what size you get. Here it is in the package. It comes with a USB to micro USB connector. This allows you to charge your phone. It comes in 2 colors. It comes in a all black, and it comes in a black and green. It's pretty small device, very portable. Feels very sturdy. That's your panel right there. It's got these 2 clips. They're plastic, but it's great. They're pretty sturdy. Look like they'd be good for hooking your carabiner, carry it on your backpack while you hike or something. This plastic on the outside, it's got a bit of a leathery feel to it. It's pretty nice to me. Doesn't seem cheap at all. Here's your buttons up top here. You got power, Bluetooth, battery, and then you got your volume right here. Once again, it's made by Eton, and it gives you a lot of different abilities here. You got an auxiliary port for all your devices that are not Bluetooth enabled. Keeps that covered up, keep the dust out of it. Then on this side, you got your AC, where you can use this same cord to plug into all your other electronic devices, chargers, in order to charge this. The charge time from the DC, it says, is 2.5, and they say the solar charge time is about 5 hours, and for both of those you should get a play time of up to 8 hours. Of course, it'll vary if you're charging your phone while doing this. And then here's your Bluetooth button. That looks like that enables the Bluetooth. So that's it. Out of the box, not a whole lot to it. This one, like I said, came from the Apple Store and looks like it includes just about everything you're gonna need right out of the box. I don't think there are any accessories just yet for it. Eton makes a lot of other things that have to do with solar powered energy. They have a mid-size one and a larger one, great for camp outs and different things like that. This model in particular is made to be a little sturdier to travel, hike with. It has a shock proof up to about, I don't know, a little over 3 feet, I believe. I wouldn't recommend dropping it, but if you do, it should be safe as long as you're not dropping it off the second story. And it's got a bit of a splash proof coating. It's not made to be submerged by any means, but if you get a little water on it by the pool, some kid jumps in and cannonballs on it, or if it gets out in the rain for a little bit, it shouldn't really affect it. So that's it. As far as the box opening is, I'm going to try to play some music for you and let you hear how it sounds. Okay, everybody, I got the Bluetooth hooked up. It should come up on your phone when you pair it as Rugged U. Click on that, and we're going to pair that and try to play some music for you.
She wants me, plus I got it all, bitch. Tell me what you don't see. Hey yo, Tim, I like this. I told you I'm on some other shit. Check it. My reality is bigger than your dreams are. Got your dream girl riding in your dream car. She wants me, plus I got it all, bitch. Tell me what you don't see. My reality is bigger than your dreams are. Got your dream girl riding in your dream car.
The smoke out of her face. Well, her black hair brown from the summer sun, green eyes looked around the place. And she told anything at all. The way it washed you clean, the way it cooled everything.